Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Today we are in Buenos Aires, Argentina at the Marriott Park Tower Luxury Collection Hotel in a beautiful part of town, very near the cruise port. Some nice restaurants, a little bit of shopping, and a beautiful park. So here we go. We are in a corner one-bedroom suite with 1.5 bathrooms when you walk in. Here is your half bath. You do have complimentary water and a small assortment of coffee. Nice workspace, living room. They also give you a complimentary bottle of wine. So far, the service here has been amazing. It is a little dated. It is definitely signs of wear, but it is still, there's still like an element of luxury and I would say dated luxury, but it's very comfortable. It's very clean. It's just got a little wear and tear, like they're not too concerned about dings and scratches and the upholstery being a little bit worn, but again, it's super clean and very comfortable. You have these shutters here to separate the bedroom. Now, they actually do have US outlets and USB outlets. So if you're staying in this hotel and you just need to like charge your phone, you won't need an adapter on the nightstands and on the office desk. But otherwise, you will need this particular, the 3-prongs outlet like that. But you're still okay with things like a phone charger. You can see the cruise port from here. I would say if you're hauling luggage, it's still not quite walkable. And the concierge here can arrange an inexpensive private car service for you. At a certain level, we're titanium, but I don't know what level it is exactly. It does come with complimentary breakfast and a happy hour with snacks, which I've seen other videos of, and it's very nice. Might even be the room status alone that gets that for you, so you can always check when you make your reservation. So one of these doors is the shower. And the other is the water closet. Okay, there you have it for the Park Tower Luxury Collection Marriott in Buenos Aires, Argentina. We're very happy with the amount of space and with the service and with the location. So happy travels. Don't forget to tip your housekeeping staff, and feel free to leave questions and comments. But if this has helped you at all make any decisions for your travels, we sure would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. Thanks for watching another video from Destinations by Del Castillo.